How to bulk edit products in WooCommerce. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to bulk edit products in WooCommerce. First of all, open your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left menu, navigate to Products, and then click on All Products to open the full list on your screen. Here, you'll see all your published products. At the top of the list, you'll notice the Bulk Actions menu, which allows you to manage multiple products at once. You can also view important details such as SKU, categories, stock status, and more. Now select the products you want to bulk edit. In this example, I will select a few random products. Once selected, go to the top and open the Bulk Actions drop-down. Choose Edit option, and next to it, then click on Apply. This will open the bulk edit settings for all selected products. From here, you can edit multiple fields at once. For example, you can assign a category to all selected products. I'll choose the groceries category. From the right side, you can change the product status. I'm going to set it to published. You can also adjust SEO settings, add product tags, or edit visibility if needed. Inside the product data section, you can update pricing. Open the price menu and choose an option based on your needs. For example, you can set a sale price in the provided field. Next, open the shipping menu and select a shipping class. I'll choose the shipping charges class. Then open the stock section and choose whether the item is in stock, out of stock, or on back order. Once you've made all your changes, scroll down and click the update button. After making the following changes, let's go back to the product list, and you'll see that all selected products are now updated with the new settings, which means your bulk edit was successful. And that's it. This is how you can bulk edit multiple products at once in WooCommerce. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.